in C this song, the key of C. I'm tuned to E in this. If you watch my videos on YouTube, you might notice that they're down a half a step. I usually always have my guitar down a half a step. I like playing that way better. But this is the original key, so I'm going to be playing in E, tuned in E for this. Okay, it's open, there's no capo or anything. So the chords are A minor, F, C, and G. This is for the intro. This is what we'll begin with. This is the way I play it. I'll show you my strumming pattern for the most part, but I'll play it for you as well. So try to listen to it and figure it out. Forget the rhythm for yourself, because it's a little bit about rhythm. It's not going to be exact the whole time, the strumming pattern, okay? I'll give you a rough idea of what I do, and then listen to it. Get the rhythm, because the rhythm is what matters, right? You can play everything real stale and right to the way I do it, but try to get your own rhythm, you know, get your own feel for the song, like, so you can enjoy it. That's what it's all about, right? So, we're going to start with A minor. This is an A minor, open position, F, C, and G. These are the intro chords. Okay, so how I begin. I'll play it for you very slow first. Into the verse. So it's going to be down, up, mute, up, down, up. That's the general strumming for the intro. Down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute. See? And then F. Down, mute, up, down, down. And then it goes to C. So, down, mute, up, mute, up. Down, up, mute, up, down, C, down, up, mute, up, G, down, up, mute, up, then down, up, G, down, up, C, down, up, mute, up, mute, up, mute, up, mute. So that goes right into the verse, and that's what the verse is. The verse is up, down, up. So I'll play it for you again. This is the slow version of the intro. Down, up, mute, up, mute, up, down, up. And that's it. Then it goes right into the song. One time quick. Down, down, mute, up, down, up. Mute. How I mute? I just smack my hand across the strings. So I smack my hands to stop all the strings. You can smack your pick against the muted strings and it makes a little more of a sound, or you can smack your fingers on the guitar. However you want to do it, that's fine. But the important thing is stop the strings and let the pick scrape against the strings. See? So, and that's it. That goes into the verse. So the verse is going to be all C, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up. Someone told me long ago. That's it. There's a calm before the storm. And then it's going to go to G. Down, up is how you switch. So down, up, C, down, up, G. Down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, down, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute. So it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, down, down, rain, sunny day. Down, mute, up, down, mute, up, down, mute, up, down, mute, down, mute, up, down, mute. That's it. It's all C, and then down. Down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute. That's the rhythm. When you switch chords, down, up, C, down, up, G, up, down, up, G, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, down, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute. Then, for the chorus, there's a little switching in between. So C, C, G, F. That's where we come to for the chorus. That's how we kind of the bridge to the chorus. So down, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up. And then C, G, F. That's how it goes in. So there's a calm before the storm, and I know it's been coming for some time. C, G, F. And I wanna know, have you ever seen rain? Okay, so slow verse. Then C, G, F. Just one time each. C, G, F. And the same thing. Down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up, down, up, mute, down, 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 up, mute, up, down, up, mute. Okay? So it's going to be C, G, F. C, G, down, up, F, up, down, up, F, up, G, up, F, up, G, up, mute, up, C, C, B, B, A, G, G, F. Okay, so what do I do there? I'll tell you what it is first. We'll play it real slow, and then I'll play it quick. So the bridge to the chorus is C, F, G, one time each. The first stroke on the F is the first down up. Down up, mute up, down up, mute F, up, G, down up, mute up, down up, mute up, G. Then all down strokes, C, C, and then you just take the third finger off the third fret of the fifth string, bring your second finger onto the second fret of the fifth string. Okay? So this is just a B bass note, right? It's almost like a C chord minus the second finger. You just move the second finger, take off the third finger, move the second finger from the second fret on the fourth string to the second fret on the second fret on the fifth string. So C, C, second finger on the B note or the fifth fret, second string, A minor, G, G, F, up, mute. See, down, up, mute, goes right back into it. B, F, up, mute, F, up, mute, up, G, up, mute, G, up, mute, C, C, B, B, A, G, G, F, up, mute, up, G, up, mute, G, up, A, C, B, B, A, G, G, F, up, mute, G, up, mute, G, up, mute. See? And then singing over it will be, and I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Down, up, G, up, down, up, and then C, down, up, going back into the verse. And that's it. I'll play it slow for you. So we'll start from coming out of the verse. Will be C, G, F, up, mute, up, F, up, mute, up. Chorus C, fast, right? And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down a sunny day? Okay? And that's it. That's the whole song pretty much. Just for the ending, so there's two ways you can end it now. So one of the ways I usually end it is to go back to the intro, and I'll play that twice and then end on the C. So. Another way that I end it is to just use some chords to come down to a nice ending. So. That's the way I like to do it usually. So I do C, then I just again take the third finger off the third fret of the fifth string and place my second finger on the second fret of the fifth string. So it's just going down, and then an A minor, G, F, G, C. So C, B note, A minor, G, F, G, C. And that's it. So that's the whole song. Okay? If you have any questions or need clarification on anything, please let me know, and I'm happy to do so. Tutorials you would like to see. Thank you for supporting my channel, my music. I want to tailor this to help you become a confident guitar player, confident singer, so you can enjoy playing. You know, it's so much joy in it, such a wonderful thing to have for yourself. Okay, so happy practicing, and remember, the more time you put into it, the more focused practice you put in, the better you'll get. It's just natural, right? That way. I remember I spent 4 hours a day all through high school, almost every day, 4 hours a day after school, after high school, practicing for 4 years. Right, so there has to be this period of putting the time in to build this memory in the body and the skills. But once you do, it's so much easier. Okay. I also suggest, if you're learning the words, to play this and sing it, that you learn the chords first, play the song thoroughly through, be able to play it smoothly and thoroughly the whole song without singing it. Then learn to sing the song by itself first, just a cappella. Then, once you feel you have both together, then combine the two. Okay, it's very easy to learn a song sloppily if you learn both together, because you're kind of just not giving full attention to either one, right? The song comes nice and clean usually if you do if you do them singly and then put them together. That's the way I like to do it anyway. Okay? Because you really need to focus on the voice to be able to do that well, and then focus on the playing to be able to do that well. Okay? Remember, don't get caught up on like doing it exactly the way I do it, because there's so many ways to do it, and you know, you have your style, right? You have your rhythm, so find your rhythm, what works for you, and do it your way. Okay? So happy practicing, and see you next time.